Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you will be fine, and today our lecture is about mastering the art of woodworking. Okay, I want to say that the woodworking is also a habituations. Woodworking, a time honored craft, is a captivating journey that intertwines creativity, skills, and passions. This comprehensive guides aim to delve deeper into the intricacies of woodworking, offering detailed insight, advanced technique, and practical tips to help both beginner and experienced craftsmen elevate their woodworking experience. The first is introduction, unveiling the essence of woodworking. Woodworking goes beyond creating object. It is about understanding and sculpting a piece of nature. This section explores the deep connection between craftsmen and their choose medium wood. The option number B is evolution of woodworking. From ancient carpentry, the contemporary design traces the elevation of woodworking techniques and styles. Understand the roots of the craft, providing a broader perspective on the significant. The point number two is getting stand beyond the basics, and the point number A is essential tool revisited. Delve into nuance of essential tools, exploring variations and understanding the craftsmanship behind each. The section is detailed examination of save the craftsman behind each. The section is detailed examination of saw, chisels, planes, and measuring instruments. The option number B is navigating the labyrinth of wood selection. Move beyond the basic of wood selection, learn about wood grains, figure, and impact of different aspects on the final outcome of your project. The point number C is advanced safety measure. Safety woodworking is paramount exposure advanced safety measure from dust extraction system to personalized protective gear ensuring a secure and healthy working environment. The point number three is working technique demystified. Then again, point number A is mastering joinery and techniques. A drive delves into the advanced joinery technique, explores complex joint like the double details on the bridal joint, understands the structural implication and aesthetic means of each. The point number B The point number B is the sculpting wood advanced carving technique. Elevate your carving skills with advanced techniques. Learn to carve introducing details, creating three-dimensional relief and incorporate texture into your wooden masterpiece. The point number C is the art of finishing beyond stains and varnishes. Move beyond conversation finishing. Explore the world of Japanese wood finishing technique. Understand how to achieve a flawless natural look using traditional method. The point number four is crafting masterpiece, complex woodworking project, and point A is fine furniture design principle and executions. Embark on the journey of crafting fine furniture, understand a design principle, balance and portion, and learn the multicellular executions required for exquisite pieces. The point number B is precision in woodworking. Wood turning in an art from the itself explore advanced wood turning technique, creating intricate shapes, segmented turning, and delicate spindle works. The next is as option number C is behind functional artistic wood sculptures. Take woodworking to the realm of art of creating wooden sculptures. Learn about the use of negation space, abstract form, and the integration of mixed media in sculptural woodworking. The point number five is wisdom from the workshop, advanced and strategies. In this, the point number A is advanced measurement technique. Master precision with the advanced measurement technique from the golden ratio and the Fibonacci sequence. Understand how mathematical principle enhance your woodworking precision. The point number B is anticipating and preventing wood movement. Wood is a living material that responds to its environment. Exposure method to anticipate and contract wood movement, ensuring the longevity of your creation. And the point number C is efficient time to management for your complex project. Time is valuable resources. Learn strategies from efficient project management, balance interact detail with project timeline without compressing quantity. This was our topic. Hope you understand. Inshallah, we will meet in the next lecture. Goodbye, friends.